slimes, I've gotten a slime package. So let's see here. So she wanted a rosé for $13. I have a rosé here. She wanted it in an 8-ounce, so I just put it in an 8-ounce container. And it's really dirty, and I just dyed it with marker. Hopefully it stays clear. And she put on the note she expects it to be clear. I don't know who she thinks she is, but it's not going to be clear. And this was $13, so I just put it in an 8-ounce container because she wanted 8-ounce. She also wanted Cupid's tears, so I used it to clean up some green paint today, so it's not really the best, and it's kind of like gray blackish and has a lot of hair in it. It's sticky and it doesn't really stretch actually that very good, but who cares? She still liked it, and I guess, look, she put expect to be clear, and she put a heart, but I guess we'll just give her some extras. So I guess I'll give her this Taylor Swift picture, an emoji pen that doesn't have a lid. I'm not too sure if it works actually. This perfume that's only filled to there. It's a fidget spinner, which is my favorite spinner, so she should be happy she gets this. And some earbuds. And I guess this Sweet Love sugar scrub that doesn't have anything in it. I guess I'll write her a note. Okay. I'll put enjoy. Don't call back. I'll be right back when I'm done writing the note. So the note says, enjoy, don't call back, no refunds. And then I just put everything she wanted. So yeah, let's ship it. 1 month later. Hey guys, I just got a slime package and I'm super excited. And the channel name, it was like Slime by Sophia or something. Sophia Slime Shop or something like that. But let's get right into it. So let's start with all the extras. So here's a note. Oh, here's the note that I sent. I just told her everything I wanted. So here's the note that told her everything I wanted. I'm not sure why it's all crinkled up, but yeah. So here's the note she gave me. It said, enjoy, don't call back. That's kind of rude. No refunds, and it says what I wanted. And I spent at least $36 on all of this stuff. So I got this perfume. I mean, it's only filled up to there, but I guess I can use it. It smells pretty good. Some earbuds. They don't really wind up all the way. Not really sure why. But I mean, maybe she just broke them or something. But they still work just as fine. And this little emoji pen, I mean, it doesn't even have a cap. I don't even know if it works or not. This mood ring, it's really pretty. But I have the same one. I got it from Rainbow Cave. She gave me this Taylor Swift picture that says, you know I love the players and you love the game. Which, I love that song. It's on DVD. And this sugar scrub container that's empty. I probably can use that for something. And a nice fidget spinner. So let's get on to the slimes. So this is the first slime. I think this is Cupid's tears. This is disgusting. It doesn't really stretch, and it's really sticky to my hands. And it looks like it's part green, part gray. And you can't even really see the yarn in it. Like, I see a piece there, but it's not very good. But, I mean, I can fix it tomorrow, so. Okay, that slime was not really the best. So I'm hoping my rosé slime is really good. So here it is. I got it in 8 ounce. This is not This is literally not what I paid for. This is only 2 ounces. And it doesn't even smell good. It smells like garbage. And I think they dyed it with marker. And I expected them to be clear. I mean, that one's clear when you do that, but when you just look at it, is that clear? Is that clear? No. And it's not really stretchy. And I ordered it in an 8 ounce, and I expect this to be filled up all the way. And this isn't even, it's kind of glossy and ew. This is disgusting. It's got a bunch of hairs in it. Ew. I'm never ordering from that slime shop again. The only thing about her package that was the best is the extras. The extras. But I'm so mad and steamed. I have to go. Bye.